What signals your hunger? Have you ever been somewhere when someone walks in with a plate of hot barbecue ribs? Suddenly your mouth is watering and you're thinking, boy, I could eat that whole plate. That is your appetite talking. Hunger is not the same as appetite. Hunger is a physical reaction due to chemical changes in your body because of the need for more food, while appetite is more psychological in nature. The sight, smell, and taste of food contribute to appetite, which is one reason why you can eat so much when you're not hungry. When you've had enough to eat, you should not feel hungry anymore. That's because a variety of hormones regulate our hunger. Hormones act as biologic messengers carrying information from one tissue through the blood to a distant tissue. Peptide hormones are those involved in blood glucose regulation, such as insulin and glucagon, and those that regulate appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin. There are receptors that increase our hunger. Ghrelin is the only hormone that stimulates food intake. Produced by the stomach when it is empty, it sends signals to the hypothalamus to increase hunger. Integrators will then work to satisfy your hunger. The better the food tastes, the more likely we are to keep eating. Effectors like the leptin hormone, which is secreted by adipose tissue, will trigger the hypothalamus to reduce hunger. Ideally, this will result in a decrease in food intake and an increase in energy expenditure to maintain the size of the body fat stores. Your leptin increases with food intake, so the more fat on your body, the higher your blood levels of leptin. This can lead to leptin resistance in obese individuals. Peptides CCK and YY are also secreted to inhibit neuropeptide Y secretion in the hypothalamus, which slows eating and makes you feel full. The insulin hormone is produced in the pancreas, and although best known for regulating blood sugar levels, it also suppresses hunger. The effectors should promote feelings of satiation. This is the point where we should stop eating and let the nutrients we've consumed begin to do their work in our bodies. Satiety is when you say, oh yeah, I'm good. Summerfield and Ellis tell us that differences between lean and obese individuals exist in receptors and effectors, as well as the genes that regulate these things, which may confound our best efforts at weight management. The big picture of the anatomy of appetite provides a brief overview of the structure of our digestive system, which can be found online at the website at the bottom. This is the end of my presentation.